Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tai. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to make this cute leaf garland. Let's start. The hook size is 5 mm. Round 1. Make a slip knot. Chain 10. Round 2. Start from the second chain from the hook. Insert your hook. Grab the yarn 6 times. For the first 4 times, we pull the yarn a little bit long. For the last 2 times, we keep the yarn length shorter. Then we grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops for 6 times. Round 3. Chain 1. Turn the project. Skip 1 stitch. Then we grab the yarn, pull through the stitch 6 times. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops for 6 times. Round 4. Turn the project. Make 1 single crochet. Then slip stitch to finish the project. Cut the yarn. Weave in ends. That is how we make 1 leaf. So you can make as many as you want with different colors. Let's start to link them together. First, make a slip knot. Chain 10. Slip stitch. Then you can chain as many as you want to reach your desired length. In this demonstration, I chained 145. At the end, we chain another 10 and make a slip stitch to finish the project. We are going to use glue to stick the leaves into the strip. I would like to fold the strip to find the right center. Stick the first leaf into the center. In between two leaves, I skipped 7 stitches. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and turn on notifications for upcoming contents.